Do you want to be paid to complete a variety of jobs from the comfort of your own home? You can earn money right now by clicking on buttons on the internet, and you can do it numerous times a day. It's as simple as that. All you'll need is an internet connection and a tablet, phone, laptop, or PC. Because what I'm about to tell you is entirely free, you don't need any skills or experience to make money online. You may use it whether you're in Asia or America because it's available all over the world. Please pay close attention to anything I say before I continue, since I'll be sharing two online money-making methods with you. Pidera.com is the name of the website I'm going to show you today. Also, you should keep an eye out for key suggestions that will help you to rapidly cash out and earn more and more money before you plunge into what this website is all about. All you have to do now is go to Pidera.com, a website that will pay you to take surveys and send you money. Everything is as simple as that. All you have to do is put in a little effort, and the time you spend here will be converted into money. You won't have to worry about anything at Pidera.com because the payout is secure and quick, and you'll be able to get paid right away no matter where you are. What I like about it is that it's very accessible, and the minimum payout is only $5. So once you've reached that amount, you can cash it out whenever you want. This site also has an infinite number of jobs that you can do each day, and there's no limit to how much money you can make in a day. I'll share with you later a trick that you can use and apply to be able to make money repeatedly. As I previously stated, there are numerous and limitless ways to earn money in Pidera. You may also sign up for other tasks such as taking surveys, uploading videos, or referring a friend. Given that this is only a single website, you could be one of the millions of people who visit it. If you just keep watching and checking out the proof and review section of this website, you'll see a guy named Hesho from Egypt who claims to have been paid $21. And there's a review here from Alpian from Indonesia who claims to have been paid $33. And if you keep reading for proofs and reviews, they're all grateful for this website and even persuaded others that this is really legit and you can earn money from it. This website, as previously said, is open to anyone from all over the world. You may be sure that Pidera can help you make money if you have hundreds of thousands of payment proofs. Go to the top of the page and click the blue icon that says Create an account to sign up for a free account. You'll be taken to a screen where you may enter your name, username, email address, and desired password, among other things. Finally, click on Sign Up and create your account. It's actually quite simple once you've completed the registration process. You can now do surveys, invite your friends, download apps, and much more. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Let me now teach you how to profit from it. Following the registration process, you can take surveys like this and earn up to 50 cents every survey. There are no restrictions when it comes to doing this. Every day, you can check the website for new survey updates. I urge you to pay attention to what I'm about to say because 50 cents isn't a lot of money, if you think about it. What you'll do now is click on this green button to start a text survey, and then you'll be taken to this page where you'll see that you can earn 50 cents by answering questions and simply clicking on buttons. But here's the thing, you don't have to answer or take these surveys. All you have to do is start the survey, which will now appear on this page by clicking this blue button. They'll ask you simple things like your gender when it's completed loading. And the point is, it doesn't matter what you say. After that, we'll go to the bottom of the page and click the right button, and the page will load again. It's not necessary for you to answer anything at this point. All you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the right button to carry on. Simply said, if you want to know why I adore this website, every single button you click will cost you 50 cents. You can now get $1 or $2 if you answer 2 or more questions. You can do this as many times as you like because it's unlimited. So we'll just do the same thing again and it'll instantly credit me 50 cents. When you think about it, if I do it several times per day, how much money could I make? You'll start making money right now if you keep doing the same thing without taking the survey. There's more to it. You'll be able to unlock different surveys with double and special benefits once you've completed the first 10. If you've unlocked surveys, for example, you'll now earn $1 every survey instead of 50 cents. And you can always double or triple that by repeating the method we just explained. It's because of commercials that they pay you money just for pushing the continue button. It's a win-win situation because the paid advertising profit as well if you click on them. If you assume this is a ripoff, you're mistaken. Going to the bottom of the website and continually clicking the continue button is one strategy to escape these ads. You can work as much or as little as you like because there are no national restrictions on Pidera. Because there is no supervisor, no time limit, and no stress, it is really convenient. So what are you waiting for? You're free to do whatever you want while making money. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment below. See you in the next video!